Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to play UFC 5 on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so at this point in time, UFC 5 is available on Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which includes Xbox Cloud Gaming and also called xCloud. This means you can stream the games directly to your PC without needing a console. So simply open your browser, log into your Game Pass Ultimate account and launch UFC 5 from the cloud. This lets you enjoy the full experience without owning any additional hardware. There are a few things to keep in mind though. Local multiplayer isn't supported when you're playing through the cloud, and some players, if I head on over to this Reddit forum, have reported choppy performance depending on your internet speed. So while it's a great way to play, it may not be perfect for everyone. Also, users have shared a helpful tip. So there's a Chrome extension called Better xCloud. This can improve stream quality, unlock some co-op features in supported games, and even bypass regional restrictions. It's a simple way to make your cloud game experience smoother and more enjoyable. So to recap, UFC 5 can't be downloaded directly to PC, but with the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and xCloud, you can stream it straight to your computer. So yeah, using the Better xCloud extension can enhance performance and unlock extra features.